Hello and welcome to another Dash class lesson, in which we will look at 5 life hacks for working in Revit. The first life hack is, if you move your mouse over any tool and wait for a bit, then its description will appear in a pop-up window. And the tools on the Edit tab have a short instruction video, as well as a description. And the second life hack is to use hotkeys when working in Revit. It really speeds up the work. It's very easy and will definitely be useful. Just press the hotkeys for the instruments you want to use, and work faster and more efficiently. We have a whole list of the hotkeys that you can use, which can be found under this video. And now, for the third life hack of the day. With this one, you can move the properties windows and the project browser as you like. I currently have them spaced apart on different sides, but you can find a convenient option for yourself. In order to move the window, you need to left-click on the line with the name of the window, and just drag it wherever you want. It's also possible to put it back if you want, and the same can be done with the properties window. And the fourth life hack is that you can work in 3D and in plan mode at the same time. I'll open default 3D view first, and in order for us to have 2 windows active at once, we need to go to the View tab and select the Tile Views button here. After that, you'll be able to see the object in both 3D and plan mode. This way, it might be very convenient to work on the project. And the fifth life hack, that will make your diagrams even more beautiful, is line smoothing. You can tune the line smoothing in the Properties tab, and for this you need to click Edit in the Graphic Display Options line. And then check the box, Smooth Lines with Anti-Aliasing. Check the box, and click Apply. You can see that the lines have become smoother. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Revit videos.